Let's start with a little curve at the top, just like a swan's neck. Now curve it down and around, and ta-da! That's our number 2. So cool! You're doing great!
Lines on paper start to grow, shapes and...
Nice and slow. Up, around, and done! Great job! You're doing amazing!
Creating worlds I get to know. Sketching dreams with every stroke. In this silence, hope invokes. From a blank sheet, life awoke. In my art, I find my spoke. Drawing my dreams, sketching my life. Every mark cuts like a knife. Drawing my dreams in black and white, bringing colors into the light.
Time to color! Let's use 2 fun colors, green and red. I'll color the top part green, like a juicy apple leaf, and the bottom part red, like a yummy strawberry. Wow, it looks so bright and fun!
Red finger here to boot play. Blue joins right away. Yellow finger waves too high. Green pops up. Oh my, oh my. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Orange finger starts to spin. Purple joins with a grin. Colors dance, what a sight. Emily laughs with delight. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Rainbow bridge, up so high. Jump to reach it in the sky. Mix the colors, make some new. What's your favorite? Tell me too. All fingers wave goodbye.
Let's add some sparkle. A little glitter makes everything better. Now our number 2 shines like a rainbow. Awesome job, artist! Your number 2 looks amazing! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun with BooBoo Productions. And check out our next drawing, maybe number 3 or a funny animal.